Heavy rain and thunderstorms have caused flash flooding in parts of London. An amber thunderstorm warning, in place for most of the southeast of England, is expected to bring 75 to 100 millimetres of rain. The Environment Agency has issued 2 flood warnings for areas of London, including Worcester Park and West Barnes, Worcester. I hope I've pronounced that correctly, not sure. Footage has shown water gushing through busy streets, leaving some vehicles stranded and affecting underground train lines. A further 14 minor flood alerts have been issued for the capital and its surroundings.